Review the floor plan or drawings and establish placement of the seams. We recommend that seam placement be under seating and out of the main traffic areas where possible. Lay flooring out on a flat, clean surface and allow the material to relax at the recommended installation temperature of between 15 and 26 degrees Celsius. This makes it easier to install. Cut pieces to necessary width and length, allowing about 1 inch or 25 millimeters extra at each end for trimming. Cut the flooring into the desired sizes using a straight edge and concave blade knife. Ensure that all edges which will later make seams are cut straight and uniform. Once the pieces are cut to size, position them into the vehicle to ensure proper fit. If a floor plan is provided, Altro can provide pre-cut kits for your installation, which will save installation time and costs. Save on time, labor and waste with Altro's kit cutting technology.